How to print the key for particular value in Python dictionary, if more values are present for one key. I want to print the key for value 4 instead of true.
A Python dictionary is optimized for accessing value by key, not the reverse, so here you have no better option than to iterate over all entries in the dict.
For an isolated call, you should iterate dict and break as per at Lagrange solution. For repeated calls, it's a good idea to reverse your dictionary to maintain O1 lookup complexity, assuming your values are non-overlapping. Then you can retrieve your key via dict_reverse.getValue4, none.
Not sure if you want this, but here you go. Let me know if this solves the problem.
Using a list comprehension. X. Output.